Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today check out my new black wheels. Yeah, this is the front wheel that I put on to the back wheel, to the back side. So it was basically the passenger front. Now I put it on the back, and if you guys saw my previous video, I basically swapped the tire with the wheel from the back left to the front right. And this one was on the front, and that's why it has all that brake dust build up on there. It's caked on there, whatever. Probably nobody cleaned it in the past 10-15 years or ever since 2001, so it's gonna be a tough one to clean up. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna spray it with maybe WD-40, let it sit for a little bit, maybe even some engine degreaser, and then I'm gonna start using, and I'm gonna use a fine steel wool to see what I can clean out, because yeah, it does look pretty ugly. So let's see if this is gonna work. I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Never actually had to clean so much brake dust on the inside of the wheel, because usually normal people just clean the outside of the wheel, never inside of the wheel. And because on a dually on this truck, you can actually rotate all of the wheels from the back to the front, and then the back one that's inside, that can actually be rotated to the other side, because only the outside wheel is going to be chrome or polished or aluminum, whatever, but the inside one is actually a steel, ugly black or white or whatever. Usually those you don't rotate to the front. You usually just swap those from the left side to the right side, but you keep those on the rear. But these you can actually rotate from the front or from the back to the front in the axe pattern, and the inside just go from one side to the other and just flip them. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we can do with this guy. I'm actually going to try to do right side with WD-40, and the left side I'm going to do some engine degreaser, and I'm going to leave it on there for about 5-10 minutes and try to clean off. Use a steel wool. I think I have some 000 fine steel wool, and then we'll see which one will work the best, left side or the right side. Like I said, I never actually had to clean such a dirty wheel before, so it'll be the first one for me, and you guys can see which one works better. And I actually went ahead and put some WD-40 in here. I had a big bottle of it, and then because this one is not going to spray well with this thin nozzle, this is better for like bolts and stuff, but with the spray bottle it's going to work a lot better. Alright, now I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and we're going to try to see if we can remove it. Alright, so I waited about 5 minutes. Let me spray another little layer on here and then try to wipe it off. Alright, let's give it a shot. It's going pretty good, not too bad. Alright, let me try the left side now. The left side actually seems to be a bit harder. Alright, so trying to wipe the engine degreaser, it's actually harder to wipe off. It's still going, but it's a bit harder compared to the WD-40, it's actually a lot easier where the WD-40 is, as you can see. And you can see the center right here where I kind of sprayed different products. Now let's try and wipe it. There we go. So yeah, there's the difference. So it seems like WD-40 is working a little better. So we're gonna do the whole wheel. Actually, I'm gonna run the whole wheel with this, and then I'm gonna respray it with WD-40. I'll let it sit and keep on scrubbing. This way I'm gonna remove some of the debris and then apply WD-40, new layer. And I think we're gonna get it good. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to jack up this side, and I'm going to put a block behind the other side tire, and I'm going to put the truck in neutral, and then I'm going to be able to freely spin this side. That will be a lot easier to pretty much spray and clean all the cracks and stuff, because I can't really see much on top. So I'm going to jack it up, and it'll be a lot easier. Seems to be working pretty good over here. There's some spots that seem to be harder, but I just got to keep on scrubbing, and I think we'll get it. Alright guys, here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Here we go. I hope I scrapped good. Yeah, it does look pretty ugly. And there you guys have it. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna get any better. There's this line right here. I think it might have hit a brake caliper at some point. Who knows what happened there? But yeah, here's now the after. And now it does look a lot better. But honestly, I kind of like the black wheels look. So eventually I want to get some black wheels. If you ever need to clean on the inside of the wheel, use some WD-40 and some fine steel wool, and that should get you going. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.